In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe After Effects on your PC, Mac, or laptop for free with a full 14-day trial of the business plan. Adobe After Effects is a powerful tool for creating motion graphics and visual effects, perfect for anyone looking to explore these fields with zero upfront cost. To get started, just click the link in this video's description. It will take you straight to Adobe's official business trial page for After Effects. Once you're there, choose the business plan. This gives you full access to all the pro features in After Effects, plus extra tools designed for teams and collaboration. It's the same version professionals use. No limitations during the trial. Now pick the payment plan that works best for you. If you want more flexibility, go with the monthly option. You can cancel anytime. If you plan to stick with it, the yearly plan gives you a better monthly rate. You'll need to log in with your Adobe account or create one if you don't have one yet. Adobe will ask for a payment method to begin the trial, but you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the 14 days are up. Set a reminder on your calendar just to be safe. Once you've signed up, download the Creative Cloud desktop app. From there, find After Effects, click Install, and getting ready to go is a breeze. The whole process usually takes just a few minutes. That's it. You now have 2 full weeks to explore everything After Effects has to offer, completely risk-free. So go ahead and dive into the world of motion graphics and visual effects without any worries. If this guide helped, please like this video and subscribe for more software tutorials, quick tips, and tech breakdowns. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter. By doing so, you'll become part of our tech-savvy community and get exclusive discount codes, early access to our tech news updates, and the latest deals on tools just like After Effects. The link to sign up is right below this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.